So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. So now let's do our assignment, the psychology of language, week 8, assignment 8. So the first question is, people who can speak two or languages fluently are called dash. So these are the option, and the answer of our first question is A, bilingual. Now let's go to our question number 2. Dash is a change from one language to another within a single interaction. So these are the option, and the answer of our second question is B, code switching. Now let's go to our question number 3. An experimental procedure that asks participants to name as many members of a given category as possible is known as a dash task. So these are the option, and the answer of our third question is D, semantic categorization. Now the fourth question is, the dash hypothesis suggests that bilinguals' constant need to monitor and control their languages leads to benefits in non-verbal cognition. So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is A, adaptive control. Now the fifth question is, the language is spoken in an immigrant's country of origin is called his or her dash language. So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is A, heritage. Now the sixth question is, words in two different languages that refer to the same concept are called dash. So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is D, translation equivalents. Now let's go to our question number 7. The dash model is a theory of language processing that assumes separate lexicons for each language connected by a common underlying conceptual level. So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is B, revised hierarchical. Now let's go to our question number 8. The number of years spent in the country where the second language is spoken is called the learner's dash. So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is A, length of residence. Now let's go to our question number 9. The ability to ignore distracting or misleading information is known as dash. So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is C, selective attention. Now let's go to our question number 10. The dash hypothesis propose that children have a biological predisposition to learn languages but lose the ability around puberty. So these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is C, critical period. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.